To fix the issue of Instagram highlights not loading, several potential causes can be identified. The problem may arise due to the Save to Archive option being disabled, a poor internet connection, or an Instagram glitch. To resolve these issues, start by enabling the Save to Archive option. This can be done by opening the Instagram app, clicking on the profile picture or account icon, and then selecting the Settings option from the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the Privacy section. Select Stories and toggle on the Save to Archive option. If this doesn't work, check the internet connection to ensure it is strong and stable. A weak Wi-Fi connection can be improved by disconnecting and reconnecting, restarting the router, or switching to a different Wi-Fi network. Another potential solution is to log out of the app and log back in. To do this, launch the Instagram app, click on the profile, select the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner, and choose the Settings option. Scroll down to the Log Out option, and then enter the username and password to log back in. By following these steps, the Instagram highlight loading problem can be resolved.